In this video, I will teach you how to remove image background in Canva. Okay, from your dashboard or your home page, you will have to create a new design. So for myself, I will go for YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. There you go, YouTube thumbnail. And I will name this tutorial. Now I will import my design to Canva. Click upload and then go to upload media. Then select your file. So my file is saved in desktop, so I will go to desktop and then select my file, open, and then it will automatically upload it to Canva. Now my file is already uploaded to Canva. You can drag and drop, or you just click it and it will be placed on your canvas. Now from there, select the image. At the top left corner you will see edit image. Select edit image, then select remover. Now you see the background is already removed. If there are some pieces still on the image, you will select eraser. This button here will help you erase the objects on your image, and this button here will help you to restore some of the parts of the image that you mistakenly remove it. So after you're done with your image, you just click apply, and there you go. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please like and subscribe.